$600. If this is your budget to build a gaming PC in 2023, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll show the best components that money can buy under $600. Let's get started. For the processor, I've chosen the AMD Ryzen 5 5500. This one costs around $109. Now with that price, it's an excellent budget gaming processor. Then for the motherboard, I've chosen the Gigabyte B550M. This one costs around $117. Now as you can tell by the reviews, this one has nearly 30,000 plus positive reviews on Amazon. Now this motherboard comes with 4 RAM slot, PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD support, small heatsink over the VRM section, all the ports that you need, and overall an excellent budget motherboard. Then comes the main components of a gaming PC build, the graphics card. And here we are using the most popular XFX RX 6600. This one costs around $249. Now currently this is the ultimate budget gaming graphics card. With this graphics card you can basically play any modern games at 1080p resolution with ultra settings with more than 60 to 70 plus FPS easily. Not only that, you can even play games at 1440p resolution with medium to high settings, so it's an excellent budget GPU. Then for the RAM, we have chosen the Team Group T-Force Vulcan Z 16GB. This one costs around $41. Now these are one of the most cheapest DDR4 RAM that you can buy, and also this RAMs comes with lifetime warranty, so an excellent deal in this price. Then for the SSD, I've chosen the Team Group MP33 1TB. This one costs around $52. Can you imagine, with that price you are going to get an 1TB PCIe Gen 3 SSD where you will get up to 1800 Mbps read rate speed along with 5 years plus warranty. Then for the power supply, we are using RS Game 650 watt power supply. This one costs around $53. Now this is an 80 plus bronze certified power supply, comes with up to 5 years plus warranty, so it's an excellent deal in this price. Finally, the casing is completely up to you, buy whichever you like, and all those components will cost you around $626. Thanks for watching.